Hi, I'm Monique from Beauty Basics. Thanks for watching this jewelry tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a bohemian style summer necklace. So this is the necklace we're gonna make and I'll show you what you need. So we're going to use the camel waxed cord, suede cord, different shells, a slider with matching 20mm cabochon, some feathers, spacer beads, 6mm jump rings, and then 9x4 cord ends. And you're also going to use stress glue, a plier, scissors, and a lighter. So this is the necklace we're gonna make, and we're gonna start off making all the separate parts. I'm gonna start with the feathers. We're going to use the 9x4 end caps for all this waxed cord. So I'm also going to put them on the feathers just so they're all alike. So you can just pull off your end caps and then put on these. So put the feather in between your cord ends, and then with your pliers first fold over one end. Make sure it's secure all along the way before you fold over the other end, like this. And we're going to do the same with the other feather. It's also very handy if you're making jewelry in gold or rosé, because the feathers, they come with these silver tops, but you can just take them off if you want to replace them with another color. So that's the first part of our necklace. Now we're going to start with the waxed cord. So you're going to cut a piece of waxed cord just over 10 centimeters. And the trick with the wax cord is to cut it a bit in a point. And then be careful, but just hold a lighter against it and you can make it like a small point. And that makes it way easier to go through small beads and through the shells. I'm gonna start with a knot on the bottom. And we're just going to string on some beads. Just make another knot and just slide over the knot just next to the beads. So the beads in between the two knots. And it's a really nice and fun design. You can use all different kinds of colors and beads, and I'm using feathers and shells and to make it a bit like a summer feeling, but I think it will also be like really nice maybe in black and white, and you should use some more charms that are more like the bohemian drop charms or more the faceted charms that have a little bit more sparkle, and that'll give it a completely different look. So just have some fun with that. So strung on 4 beads, I'm just going to cut the waxed cord and also finish that off with one of the end caps. So first fold over one end, make sure that that's properly closed before folding over the other end. And then we have another part of our necklace. So I cut another piece of waxed cord about 20 centimeters. Again, just make a little point at the end. And I'm going to use these spiral beads that already have a small hole in them. Now again, tie together with a small knot. Also want to put another bead on there. and put both in the cord end. Fold it. And that's another part of your necklace. So we're going to do the same for the spiral shell bead. This is a really cool charm. I love the color. It has this like blue aqua, like bounty beach ocean color. I don't know, I really like it. It gives an instant summer feeling to your jewelry. So again, just make a small point in your wax cord. I'm just gonna tie 2 knots. It's another charm. And then I also have these 2 cowrie shells, and I'm also going to attach a small piece of wax cord and a spacer bead. So these are all the different parts for the necklace. Now we're going to attach them together. We're going to use the 6mm jump rings. It's a little bit too many parts to put them all on the same ring. So I'm just gonna split them in 2. And just put all your pieces on the jump ring, also the feathers, and then close your jump ring. And this is the one we're gonna put the suede cord through. So put the charm on the half of the cord. And then just tie a simple knot. Like that. This is your necklace almost done. So to finish off the necklace, we're gonna add the slider. So you can use this on leather cord or suede cord. Just put it through on the back. And because this is a long necklace, you just put it over your head. You don't really need a clasp or anything. You can just tie it with a knot and put that over your head. And now the finishing touch for this necklace. It's our turquoise cabochon. So just put some strass glue in the middle. Gently press your cabochon. And that's your necklace. Just leave to dry for about half an hour, and that's your summer boho statement necklace. I hope you like this one. If you want to make a necklace yourself, you can buy all the materials in our web shop. Just click on the picture here and you'll go to the right page to buy all the materials. If you want to see even more jewelry tutorials, just subscribe to our channel, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye!